Hey guys, Ricardo and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. So guys, for today what we're going to actually be doing is looking at how to delete your Instagram account. Now in case you have been using the app and you're wondering how to actually go about deleting your Instagram account, this video will actually take you through step by step. Now if you have already tried, one of the things you might have already explored is to try to go to the Instagram app. And if you launch the Instagram app, as you're seeing here, I'm just going to go over to my profile. You might realize that if you actually search through the settings or go into the main settings, you'll notice there's no option in here to actually delete your account or disable your account in any way. Likewise in any other section here. So in order to actually do this, what you have to actually do, guys, is just go to a browser. It could be any browser, whether you're using Firefox, doesn't matter. You can do it on your PC or on your device. So you're just going to launch. And what you're going to do is going to go to Instagram.com. And that is the web version, not the app. And once you go there, you're just going to log in. Once you log in, guys, this time you're going to actually go over to the profile section. So just click on the button down here, go over to your profile. Once you're on your profile, you're going to go to edit profile. And once you edit profile, guys, just scroll down. And right here you see the option here that says temporarily disable my account. Now this is only available in the web version of the app. Also, please note that although it says temporarily disable my account, this is actually the only way to actually disable your account or delete your account. Alright, so ignore the terminology that says temporarily disable. In fact, after disabling, you don't have to reactivate, and it will disable or delete your account. Alright, so in case you're wondering if this option is in the other version of the app, which is the app itself, let's go over there and I'll show you it's not there. So if you actually launch the app and you come down here and actually hit edit, you'll notice if you scroll down, there's no option down here, only gender and all that, but there's no option to actually disable your account. So I'm just going to close and I'll just go back to the web app. And of course, here in the web app, you see temporarily disable my account. Just going to tap on that. Once you tap on that, guys, you're going to read the information shown here. And you notice it shows you that you can disable your account instead of deleting it. This means your account will be hidden until you reactivate it by logging back in. And of course, if you do not log back in or reactivate your account, it will stay this way. All you gotta do is give the information. It says, why are you disabling your account? Just go ahead and select the correct reason. So like such as concern about my data or trouble getting started or too many ads or whatever. Just choose one of those. Once you select that, and you're gonna fill in that information. It says to continue, please re-enter your password just to confirm it's you. So it's gonna go ahead and type back in your password to prove that you own the account. And last but not least, once you do all that, you'll get the option here that says temporarily disable my account. And you're just going to go ahead and tap, and it's going to activate, and your account's going to be temporarily disabled. And of course, from there, you can either stay away from Instagram for a while. If you change your mind, you can come back. Or of course, you can leave it in that state where, of course, no one will be able to access it, and it will be as good as deleted. Alright, guys, so this is Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. So now, quick tech tip basically showing you how to delete your Instagram account. If you have any comments or so on, please remember to like, share this video. Alright, so this is Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying guys, bye until next time. Bye.